Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Look what I'm doing. I'm just relaxing, enjoying the sounds of birds, nature, and look at me. This is me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. I'm just relaxing, guys. I'm here. Like, share, subscribe, and follow for more of me. And this is what I do best. Relax. Look how cute I am, guys. I'm cute and I'm beautiful. So drop a comment and tell me what you think about me. But now I'm relaxing. Watch me, guys. Watch me cleaning myself. I'm getting ready for bed, guys. This is just what I do. Look what I do, guys. This is what I do on my relaxing time. I'm finished working for the day, so I'm relaxing, listening to the sweet, sweet sounding sounds of birds while I am cleaning my foot. See, guys? Look, just keep watching. Drop a comment, guys. This is what I do best outside, guys. Relax. So catch you later, guys. Alright, catch you later.